Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to repair your Excel corrupted file. So guys, if you are facing problem to open your Excel file, so you can repair that file in just a few seconds. Visit this URL repairit.wondershare.com Excel repair. Now here download this free software and add your Excel file to this software. Then click on repair and open your file and save it. So in just few seconds guys, you can repair your Excel file. Excel files will be corrupted cause of many reasons, such as the system crashed and Microsoft application crashed. Just calm down and search for and Microsoft application crashed. So just guys, visit this URL and download, and in 3 steps or in few seconds you can repair your Excel file. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video informative or not.